If I was an actor, I'd get paid to play a role. Guess what? At work, we get paid to play a role. Let's say I didn't make my living giving speeches and seminars, but let's say I made my living as an actor. And let's say this was a Shakespearean play, and I'm an actor in that play, but I don't want to do it today. I don't want to put on the little booties. I don't want to put on the tights. I don't want to put on the frilly shirt. I don't want to bound across stage. You've got $50 tied up in your ticket, and I'm on stage doing this. To be or not to be, that's the question. Where art thou? Would you feel like you got your money's worth? No, you demand your money back. If I was an actor, I'd get paid to play a role. Guess what? At work, you get paid to play a role. You know all the characters. Just giving you all your lines, all your stage directions. Now all you have to do is play your part.